Happy Independence Day. I'm sure Independence Day is a day full of celebration for all of us. So let's listen to the fondest memories our team at Pattern has to share.
Hi, Swati. Hi, Kinshal. What's your favorite Independence Day memory? Favorite Independence Day memory is dancing on Sunovar se Punyavalu in school every year. You want to play that music? I can still dance on it. That sounds like fun.
Hi Pranjal.
Hi Kinjal.
What's your favorite Independence Day memory?
Oh, Independence Day. So when we used to get sweets at that time, that was one. Secondly, when we used to go for the march, that was the second one. And third was I used to play a dead man role in my school time. So that was fun. And fun part was I used to laugh in between.
That's fun, thanks. Hi Samreen.
Hi Kinjal.
What's your favorite Independence Day memory?
Oh, my favorite Independence Day memories. So singing national anthem in front of whole school, colleges, hosting events, and then going back to my home to my mom's tricolored rice and my colorful sandwiches made by my granny. So every 15th of August felt like home wrapped in color.
That's lovely, thank you. Hi Satyam.
Hello.
What's your favorite Independence Day memory?
So I once acted as a British soldier in the school play, and we were supposed to charge at Indians. So our leader was giving us the orders, and the Indians were supposed to scream Bharat Mata Ki Jai. So when we were given the order, we charged, and the people around, they started saying Bharat Mata Ki, and being a British soldier, I also said we also, all of us said Jai. So it was a big gag around there.
Nice, thank you. Hi Srishti. Hi. What's your favorite Independence Day memory?
So my favorite Independence Day memory is about those tiny traditions, like asking if we have to bring our bags or not, and forgetting my flag every year. Then my dad's gentle scolding just before we drive to his office at 6 a.m. just to get me one. So those are the rides I really cherish.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Laksh.
I can do it.
What's your favorite Independence Day memory?
For me, the favorite Independence Day memory was growing up, wearing tricolor outfits in the school, performing in the acts and the skits that we do in the school, and then being a part of those plays that become very memorable to me.
Awesome, thanks. Hi Gaurav.
Hey, hi Kinjal.
What's your favorite Independence Day memory?
Old school photo, kids in white uniform marching, and coming a week before Independence Day, we would like go for a practice, just an excuse to miss the classes. And comes finally the big day where chest out and everyone is marching for India, and the fun part is getting half day of school.
Thank you.
So, what's your favorite Independence Day memory?
So my favorite Independence Day memory is flying kites. We used to do that every year. And then we were also asked to bring those tricolor sandwiches. So we used to bring something related to that, and we all had the same purpose, so that was really fun.
Nice. And what's yours, Srijan?
So from class 1 to class 8, it was the same ritual, delivering speeches, 15 days of bugging that up, and then delivering that on the D-Day, and then getting back home with a plate full of wafers, samosa, and marrow chocolate. So yeah.
Thanks, guys.